Hi everyone, I'm Clay from Blick. I just wanted to talk to you quickly about our pipe spacers and centralisers. So pipe spacers, centralisers, casing spacers, they're all words used to describe a tool that's used to position a pipe inside another pipe, a bar inside a bore, or even a PE pipe inside jacking pipe in a tunnel boring project. So Kwik-ZIP spacers and centralisers, they've got a wide range of solutions, whether you're doing saw nails or anchoring, you need a small diameter solution, you're placing well screens, or you're doing heavy duty PE pipe inside pipe, say for a road crossing or a rail crossing. They've got a solution that'll work for you, from large bow height like this one to a small bow height. With this option, there's something to suit every bore or every project. The Te Maunga landward outfall project at Te Maunga required a casing spacer solution that would not only centralise the product pipe and maintain the grade over the life of the asset, but allow the product pipe to be slip-lined inside the concrete carrier pipe that had a wide variety of joint gaps and lips that all had to be negotiated. The HDXT 103 centralisers, which are these here, feature a load sharing system. So the load of the product pipe is shared over all the spacers, so they all take part of the load, and they're manufactured from a low coefficient of friction thermoplastic, which is this slider on the top here, which allows them to be installed with very low pull pressures. So the centraliser was actually able to bridge the gaps and ride up over the lips during the installation and allow the product pipe to be installed in a variable carrier pipe that generated challenges for the project.